Alam nyo, okay na sana eh kasi nakita ko si Sel umikot. Sabi ko, tapos hindi naman umiikot yung dalawang kasama ko. Sabi ko, sige, last minute sabay-sabay pala kaming tatlo iikot. 4 turns. For this young lady, when says she was amazing, she was great. She could do better. And I think tama naman yung pinili niya si Julie. So I'm happy for her.